How do neologisms become obsolete slang words? Imagine a new word popping up overnight, capturing everyone's attention like a trending hashtag. That's how many slang words start their journey. They come from nowhere, filling a gap in how we express ourselves. These words often reflected new technology, social changes, or cultural shifts. They catch on within small groups or communities, acting like secret codes that show you belong. But not all neologisms stay fresh forever. As they spread beyond their original groups, they often lose their special meaning. When a slang word becomes common knowledge, it stops being exclusive. For example, a slang term used by teenagers might become mainstream through social media. Once everyone uses it, it no longer signals belonging to a specific group. It becomes just another word in the language, often seen as outdated or uncool. Cultural changes also play a big role. When society moves on to new trends or attitudes, older slang can seem out of place. If a word was popular during a certain era, it might lose relevance as new slang emerges to better describe current experiences. For instance, slang related to old technology like floppy disk or pager fades as those items become obsolete. Another factor is how meanings can shift over time. When many people use a slang word, its original sense can get diluted or changed. Sometimes, it gets used ironically or sarcastically, which can distort what it originally meant. This process makes the word less useful as a true marker of identity. Digital media speeds up this cycle. Slang can rise to popularity in months and disappear just as fast. Trends on social media platforms like TikTok or Twitter can make a word viral quickly, but it can also fade just as fast when new trends take over. Because slang is informal, it rarely gets official recognition or added to dictionaries. Without formal backing, its survival depends on community use, which is often fleeting. In the end, slang is always changing. When a neologism becomes obsolete, it usually means it has served its purpose as a social marker. New words replace it, better suited to the current times. This constant cycle keeps slang lively, fresh, and always connected to the communities that create it. So, the next time you hear a slang word that sounds old-fashioned, remember it probably just ran its course in the language's ever-evolving story.